should know if it could be the kind of girl you could be down for.
Hey Wonder Bros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe. And if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this head wrap look with this head wrap from Ceece's Closet, along with 2 other looks. I would also like to thank them for partnering with me to bring you guys this video. And yeah, y'all, I love this. It's so cute, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. But before we jump into it, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more videos from me. And thumbs up if you like this type of content. And without further ado, let's jump into it. You guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you to Ceece's Closet for sending me this head wrap. This is absolutely one of the cutest head wraps I own. I'm gonna be wearing this all over the gram, okay? I need to go get some more of these things. But if you guys are interested, the links will be down below in the description box. And I know I'm gonna get questions about this lip combo. It is any black lip liner or any black eyeliner that you want to use as a lip liner, which is what I did. And it's Gunner by MAC, which I believe was a special edition color, and Heroin by MAC on top of Gunner. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff. And don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss any more videos from me. Check out any of my other social media platforms over here and any of my previous uploads over here. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.